And this is the video short of how to use a Greca. And for my gringo friends, it's not Greca, it's Greca. A Greca comes in three parts: the reservoir, where the water goes; the filter, where only qualified Café Bustelo goes in, dique la llave and el pilón. That's all garbage. Only Café Bustelo. And of course, the topper, which is easily screwed on to the reservoir once you input the filter. So the first step is to fill the reservoir with water. I like to use filtered water. You don't fill it all the way up to the top, just enough to give you about 6 little tacitas of Café Bustelo. In the next step, you place the filter inside, which fits snugly over the reservoir. In this next step, you take the Café Bustelo and you take your favorite spoon and you spoon into the filter as much Café Bustelo espresso that you want. There are many different styles of making this, and the one that we're going to make is heart attack style. So that's basically short for Cuban style coffee. With our heart attack style, we're going to continue putting in our favorite Café Bustelo into the filter, and we're going to pack it in by taking the bottom of the spoon and pressing down ever so lightly. Yes, making Cuban coffee can be a little messy. In this next step, we'll take the topper and screw it right on to the reservoir. See how easy that is? Now, a true sign of a Latino that loves coffee is if you look at the handle. At the bottom of the handle, you'll see that it's kind of burnt out. That means that the manufacturers of this Greca have made it so people can know that people actually use it. In my apartment, I have an old school estufa. Estufa is Spanish for stove. So I simply turn the knob to let the gas flow, grab a lighter, and without burning my fingers, turn on the stove. Placing the Greca on top, just slightly off, so that way we don't continue to burn the handle. And now we wait while listening to some salsa music. And now here's a sneak peek at what's going on inside the Greca. Ay coño! A word to the wise: never open a Greca while it's making its magic. This is the last and final step. You grab your favorite mug with another spoon, grab your coffee, and ever so gently tilt it to allow the coffee to go inside the cup. See how dark that is? That is Cuban style coffee. Should I be drinking this much? Probably not, but we're Latinos. And because I am an Americanized Latino, I like to drink my Cuban coffee with Splenda and skim milk. And now that I have mixed all of my ingredients together, I have a perfectly prepared cup of Café Bustelo with skim milk and Splenda. And now for enjoyment.